how do you change the board color? Let's say select material. Now I'm just going to do that and click that add. Here it is. And this is going to be call it color. And these are any material you want to create. The material type, is it sheet good, solid lumber, objects? I have somewhere I have like refrigerators and TVs and things. What are the dimensions? The width will be 48 by 96, which is temporary, kind of standard for us here in North America. Set the grain direction. I want it to be the length. But here's the real answer to the question: how do I change the color? Well, you can come in here and you can pick. Like if I wanted that particular material to be blue, you could pick blue. But if you want to add a new color, you click color, and you have your standard color palette. So I can make this any color I want. Go up here and do that. Now I have the color, but if I want to add a texture, what you do is you'd come into your file and look for an image file that would be the color or the grain you want. Like go on the internet or use your camera and take a picture of the wood that you want to use, bring it into your computer and save it as a JPEG file, or maybe both. And you could save it and then select it. So now I have a board. Now here's an example of a person who was bidding a job, and he wanted to show the room as being just exactly as the customer's library looked. I don't know, this rug is actually in front of a fireplace, and this person was bidding the surround on the fireplace. So he took this and he made a board of it and used that in the design and set it down on the floor of the design, and it was just really great.